Nature Jadd here, coming to you from the wet and wild recreational site of Cape Perpetua, where we stand next to nature's marvel, Thor's hammer, and Thor's well out in the distance that drains the mighty Pacific Ocean into the deep blue depths of the sea. Now, this land has been popular tourist destination for the Native American tribes of the Oregon coast since time before time. And legend has it there is an ancient Hydra that sometimes springs its serpent-like self from the depths of the sea to swallow ancient travelers and visitors alike. To summon the Hydra, some say that all you have to say is the Marvel Warble 3 times. But Nature Jadd doesn't believe in such nonsense, so let's try it. The Marvel Warble. The Marvel Warble. The Marvel Warble. Nature Jadd has died.